Hi, so I'll show a quick fix for Elden Ring Nightreign's widescreen crash on launch. So you either get this issue or the game just outright crashes, right? Show you that. Get this launched. You get the all familiar widescreen and the game crashes, right? So what you do is you download Process Lasso, go into Process Lasso, look for Steam, right click steam.exe, go to CPU Affinity, always, and turn on None. Once you do this, you should ensure that all the colors are enabled, None is enabled. Go back to Steam, play, and it is fixed. Thank this guy. Thank you, Mixed Skin Prince, because this actually fixed it for me. Thank God. As you can see, it is now actually loading. As you can see, it is launching, it's working. Just click it to go into the game, and yes, it works. So, that's the big trick. Right click Steam, CPU Affinity always, and None. Have a nice day everyone. All the best.